Ciao ragazzi, today rigatoni alla vodka, let's go! The ingredients are the rigatoni, fresh rigatoni. We have some butter, onions, fresh tomato sauce, heavy cream, and Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, let's start with some butter. Touch of olive oil. So we're gonna let the butter melt. Now we're gonna chop some onions. Now we're gonna add the onions inside the melted butter, okay? Cook the onions inside. Rigatoni alla vodka, one of our specialties at the restaurant. These are all recipes. Already smells good. I love onions when they're cooked. They're so sweet and nice. When we used to go to a club in Italy, coming back home at night, and while our mom and dad was sleeping, we were making pasta alla vodka with our friends after the club. You know, nice. I always put a little bit of chili inside. I'm gonna melt the tomato paste like that. Famous cooking water. Remember guys, always a little bit of cooking water. At this point, we're gonna add a little bit of vodka. The vodka is gonna evaporate, but it's gonna give that nice flavor to the sauce. We're also gonna add some fresh tomato sauce. Heavy cream. We're gonna add some Parmigiano Reggiano to the vodka sauce. There we go, look how beautiful. A little bit of salt. Okay, and voila, this is our vodka sauce. Simple, nice, creamy, beautiful. Water is boiling, put some salt, taste the water. Ocean, beautiful. Rigatoni. Now we're ready to put the rigatoni inside the vodka sauce. My God, look at this, it's so beautiful, so creamy. Ooh, it is so good. Oh my God. And for anybody that wants to eat this pasta, you can eat it at Borti Pasta here in Miami Shore. Okay, we're ready to plate our rigatoni alla vodka. Look at this, this is amazing. Vodka sauce, cream, there we go, this is it. Parmigiano Reggiano on top, Parmigiano Reggiano. And we finish it with fresh basil. This is an amazing pasta, ragazzi. This is amazing. Oh, let's try it. That's so good. This is really good. I can't believe it, but every time I say it's really good, but it's actually really good. Who's the pasta king in Miami? Borti Pasta. Borti.